Jacob with ConcealedCarry.com, and we are here with Tom from FN America. And Tom's going to show us some of the FNS line. We've got some compact stuff, we've got some bigger stuff, and obviously this is great stuff for concealed carry. Suits us well, so why don't you take it away?
So we'll start with the FNS. So we're going to get into the compact, but the FNS is our full-size duty gun, basically our LE kind of military kind of thing. It's a striker-fired gun. What's unique about it is a couple things. So a really nice point-ability, shootability with the grip, and then you get into the full-time ambi control. So with that, it's offered in manual safety, non-manual safety. I personally prefer non-manual safety, but you have your ambidextrous slide stop, push-button magazine release that can work left and right-handed. So it's actually really nice about that. Little people think about, like, maybe your wife is left-handed and you're right-handed. One gun, one training. You don't have to reverse the magazine catch, things like that.
Just from a defensive pistol, position. If I lose that hand, I got to shoot with this hand.
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, I know it's maybe not so much concealed carry, but generally if you're in a gunfight, you're looking at the gun. Common place to get hit is actually your hands. The ability to transition from left to right, whether it's maneuvering on obstacles or just your hand goes down, it's a great feature. So what we did is we took basically our LE gun and we took that technology and put it into a concealed carry weapon. So we kind of take that world's most battle-proven technology and put it in something a little more easy to carry. So what this is the FNS Compact. It's actually one of our better sellers. So as I said, manual, not manual safety, full ambi, American style controls. Don't worry about that lever. And capacity on the 9mm is 12. So what's unique about this gun as well is that it ships with 3 magazines. So you have kind of the pinky extension, which allows you the full grip, but when you're carrying it, the butt of the gun is not sticking up the strap.
Right, it's high in the waistband.
Exactly. We trimmed down the beaver tail a little bit versus the FNS to be a little less snag prone. And that's been a great feature for us. And it also comes with 2 other magazines, a flat for alternate carry, and then an extended magazine, which holds 17.
Wow. So that's pretty cool. So that's what I appreciate, the variety, right? You have a couple different mags, so you don't have to go out and buy different things. It makes it a lot easier to, out of the gate, have what you want.
Yeah, so what some people do is they'll carry it like this, and then they put it on their nightstand, drop in the 17-round magazine, ready to go.
Right there, pack out with 12.
Check out the color on this. I love this slide. I mean, I don't often use the word beautiful with guns, but that is beautiful.
Absolutely.
What is this? What's this color here?
So this is our new FD Compact. So actually our 45 Tactical is one of our better selling pistols. People love the brown. They've been begging for a brown gun. We said, hey, you know what? Why don't we give the customer what they want? So what we did, actually, it's not just a color change. So little known fact, I'm an engineer by trade. When you add brown's actually one of the hardest plastics to work with. It changes the chemistry of everything. So we actually did full qualification, tens approaching probably hundreds of thousands of rounds actually by the time it was all done. Yeah, pretty interesting little fun fact.
Yeah, absolutely.
The most advanced design.
So all the same stuff. Durable coatings on the slide. It's not a paint. It's actually a PVD finish, so very similar to like what you see on the high-end knives.
I'm really impressed with the mag capacity. I mean, this isn't much bigger than the Ruger LC9. This isn't Block 43, but to have 12 rounds to go, plus comes with a 17-round mag. That's huge. I'm really pumped on that capacity. Trigger felt pretty good. Sights look good.
Yeah, it is a good trigger.
Yeah, absolutely. Now these are already shipping. They're on shelves.
Everything's available now. We just started shipping the FD Compact this week.
Great. MSRP on the Compact?
All of them across the board are $5.99.
$5.99.
That's cool, actually. I would have thought this would be maybe $20 more or something.
Well, I mean, we probably could have, but we're trying not to be jerks.
Well, you're certainly not a jerk, Tom. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.